We're inviting you to a free farm tour this weekend at the McGrath Family Farm in Camarillo. Anytime you drive down 101 in Camarillo, you've gone right past our farm. So we're inviting you to stop in and learn more about the amazing work we're doing here in organic agriculture. You'll learn about the farm's history and see firsthand the regenerative methods we're using to rebuild the soil and grow healthy crops for the community. Bring your family, bring your friend. Visit this page for details, and we'll see you there.